Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, hello, I am so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple cough rub at home. Start by getting out 2 pots. One of them is going to be filled with a little bit of water, and this is essentially going to be a double boiler. I just didn't have a double boiler. Then you're going to add in your base. I'm going to be using olive oil, coconut oil, and beeswax. Now you're going to add your base to the double boiler and melt all the oil and the wax together. To get an overall understanding of what you're doing, you're melting a base of oils and wax, and that's going to be your salve, and then you're going to add in the essential oils at the end. I like to use a standard salve ratio, which is 1 part beeswax to 4 parts oil. You can just research salve ratios and decide which you prefer. The standard ratio is firm yet scoopable. Now I'm going to choose which essential oils that I want to add. You can find my essential oil ratios in the description box below. Essential oils are often recommended for natural health, but they are not harmless. Natural does not automatically mean gentle, non-toxic, safe for children, daily use, or applying undiluted. Essential oils are potent, concentrated plant compounds, and it's important to research each oil before using. In many ways, essential oils are closer to herbal medicine extracts than to kitchen herbs, so we have to be careful not to casually recommend all essential oils. Once melted, you are going to ladle the base into the jars. I am using 4-ounce amber glass jars that I just ordered from Amazon. I'll have those and the essential oils that I recommend in the link below.
I have poured the oils and the beeswax into the jars, and they're going to cool. Once they've cooled, even just a little bit, we'll add in the essential oils. You don't want to add the essentials in too early because that's really going to compromise the quality of the essential oils. It can damage it, it can evaporate it, and really you don't want to do that. That defeats the whole purpose.
If I would have added in the essential oils a little bit earlier, this would have been the look of the final product, but I was distracted and added in the essential oils a little bit too late for my liking, so now I'm going to have to stir in the essential oils, and that really isn't going to affect anything, only the way it looks, but I definitely would have preferred a more beautiful final product. Check out the description for my essential oil recipe and ratio. I thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope this encourages you to get in your kitchen and to learn.